Today, we will talk about how to plan your own funeral. Let's have a look at the details. Planning your own funeral may be an emotionally taxing process, but it will save your relatives a great deal of pain and worry in the long run. To start off, you will want to brainstorm all of the possible details that you would like included in your service. The first method is to plan the details of your memorial. Make a list of your likes and dislikes. Write down whatever comes to mind, at least at first. You might include things that you've seen done at other funerals that you thought worked well. Decide on a type of funeral. You will need to choose between a burial or cremation. Decide on a reception style. It is your choice whether to have a gathering before or after your funeral or none at all. Choose a funeral home and memorial site. Go and interview several funeral directors. All funeral providers are required to provide you with a price list upon request. Decide if you want a religious element. If you plan to follow religious conventions, you'll want to reach out to your minister, priest, or rabbi to discuss the details. Select your eulogists. A eulogy is a short speech delivered at a funeral in which the speaker discussed the life of the deceased. It is not required to have eulogists, and, if you choose to include speakers in your funeral, you will carefully them. Decide if you want to include readings. Select the readings that you would like to include and consider who you would like to read them as well. Select music for the service. Think about the type of atmosphere that you would like during your funeral. Make notes regarding your wishes and discuss them with the funeral director. Consider your budget when planning. All of the personal touches that you add may have associated fees. Keeping in mind how much you can reasonably spend will help you to make realistic choices. Look into prepayment. Many funeral homes will accept payment for your service in advance. Ask the funeral directors about their policies in this area. The second method is pre-planning your burial. Choose a casket. Caskets can vary widely in terms of materials and cost, so it is best to shop around a bit. Select a vault or liner. Most cemeteries make you purchase a liner of some sort. A quality liner will keep the grave from sinking and caving in. Purchase a burial plot. Consider whether you would like a single depth space or a double depth space. You can also investigate getting a spot within a family plot or starting a family plot yourself. Arrange for a headstone or grave marker. Most cemeteries will have regulations regarding the types of markers they allow. Ask about these restrictions and then start to shop around. The third method is pre-planning your cremation. Know your cremation options. A cremation can cost hundreds or thousands of dollars depending on the choices that you make. Select an urn. You will want to designate a container to hold your ashes post-cremation. You can shop around or use a family item as an urn. Investigate regulations regarding the scattering of ashes. Many people like the idea of having their ashes scattered, but you will want to leave very specific instructions behind discussing how to go about it. You will want to receive advance permission to have your ashes scattered on private or government-owned property. The fourth method is communicating your wishes to others. Write your own obituary. This can be a difficult task even for those people close to you, so it is helpful to at least start the process off. Compose personal letters to family and friends. It is always a nice gesture to write a few, quick words, or even a more lengthy note, to those people closest to you. Make a packet for your relatives. Go through all of your documents and notes and make copies. Give one copy to your attorney and a few others to family members who you trust. Many funeral homes will also file your plans away for you, usually free of charge. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.